There are now more than 26,400 cases of COVID-19 in Maryland. More than 1,200 people have died, and hospitalizations rose slightly since Sunday, with more than 1,600 patients and 563 in the ICU. Hello again, I'm Max McGee. This morning, Mayor Young and Senator Ben Cardin held a press conference advocating for additional stimulus support for cities and counties. On the health front, we've seen a rising number of deaths. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren joined us live at the Convention Center turned field hospital with the latest. Mike.
Max, 34 more deaths in the past 24 hours. We're also seeing a lot more testing, more than 3,200 negative tests in a single day. Hospitalizations are up by 14 people this Monday. Intensive care patients are down by 2. These critical numbers have not spiked, and that's good news.
So there's about 20 states where we see a rising number of new cases. Illinois, Texas, Maryland, Indiana, Virginia, North Carolina, Tennessee have a lot of new cases on a daily basis. And so while mitigation didn't fail, I think it's fair to say that it didn't work as well as we expected.
This is about us as a state taking back what is ours. Let me hear it.
Over the weekend, protesters called on Maryland to reopen. Governor Hogan has said we need to see stable or declining numbers for 14 days in order to do so.
First of all, look, I think everybody has a right to protest and express their feelings. A couple of dozen people did so yesterday, and they have every right to do that.
We got to get through this horrible virus, and we got to stop its spread. The best thing we can do to help our municipalities, the best thing we can do to help our businesses is to get this virus behind us.
Maryland's congressional delegation and Baltimore's mayor called for caution reopening and help for small businesses and cities in a virtual briefing this morning.
We depend on tourism a whole lot to drive our economy here in Baltimore, and we are really, really hurting.
And the Small Business Administration says Maryland small businesses have seen an additional more than $3 billion in funding, a renewed round of funding from the federal Paycheck Protection Program. Reporting live at the Convention Center, Mike Helgren, WJZ.